Are you looking for free online document tools that are fast, secure, and easy to use? Then you'll love the brand new Softaken Online Document Toolkit. Whether you want to convert, merge, split, compress, unlock, or manage your files, Softaken now offers multiple online tools completely free of cost. The best part? You don't need to install any software, and your privacy is always protected. What is Softaken Online Toolkit? Softaken has introduced a collection of powerful online document tools designed for everyday users, professionals, students, and businesses. With just a few clicks, you can work with different file formats directly from your browser. No technical knowledge required. Simply open the website, choose your tool, upload your file, and get the result instantly. Available categories. The toolkit includes a wide range of categories, such as PDF Toolkit, Image Toolkit, Developer's Toolkit, Office Converter, Web Tools, and many more useful online utilities. New tools are also being added regularly, making the platform even more powerful over time. Privacy and security. One of the biggest concerns while using online tools is data privacy. Softaken understands this. That's why the online toolkit is designed with privacy as a top priority. Unlike many online services, your files are not stored on the server. The processing happens securely, and once the task is completed, your data isn't saved for future access. This means your confidential documents remain private and secure throughout the entire process. Whether you're working with personal files or business documents, you can use these tools with confidence. Why choose Softaken Online Tools? Here are some reasons why users love the Softaken Online Toolkit. Completely free to use. No software installation required. Works directly in your web browser. Fast processing. Simple user interface. Supports multiple file formats. Secure file handling. Compatible with Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, and iPhone. Just open your browser and start working from anywhere. If you're looking for secure, reliable, and completely free online document tools, give the Softaken Online Document Toolkit a try today. Thanks for watching.